Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, and then you have to go to the sound and vibration section, then ringtone. Here you can select one of those ringtones. You can also access all ringtones here. Here you can add your own ringtone. You can add it from your recorder, from your files, from your music, or you can just select one of the presets. So let's listen to some of them. I guess I'll just stay with that one because it really slaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.